everybody. Hope all of you are doing good. We are connecting through technology in this lockdown period. COVID-19 has taught us many things. We have learned a lot from this. The powerful nations, the uncounted deaths, our warriors, the doctors, the social workers, the health workers, the sevadars, safai karamcharis, the policemen, we salute them all. We salute to all those who are helping the humankind at this adverse time. But what about teachers? Do you think teachers are just sitting at home? No, my dear friends, teachers are still teaching. Not only in India, teachers throughout the world are teaching. Teachers are trying their level best to gather information, to gather sources, to meet out their students. Teachers are trying to infuse better ways of infusing creativity amongst the students. Not only the students, to the society also, they are teaching different recipes and other creative works. Teachers are straying throughout the night to research out new methods to meet their students. So teachers are still teaching. And the live example is Sidana Institutes. Under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Jeevan Jyoti Sidana, you have got a platform for online learning, for online preparation of all those who are aspiring to become a teacher. They are teaching you through online mode how to crack the important examinations, entrance examinations like CTET and PCTET. Now teachers, they can create wonders. Teachers can do anything impossible on this earth. Why do I say that? This reminds me of a short story. Once a king, he wanted to modify his kingdom. He called his viceroy and he asked him that how can you transform my kingdom? The viceroy was an economist. He said, "Sir, give me money. I'll do it." The king then called an engineer. The engineer said, "Give me good infrastructure. I'll change your kingdom." Then the king called a politician. He said, "I need power. Give me power. I'll transform your kingdom." Then the king called a teacher. The teacher replied, "Sir, I don't need money. I don't need power. I don't need good infrastructure. Give me sincere students. I will just change your kingdom. I'll create a wonderful kingdom. I can transform the society." So this is the superpower of a teacher. Teachers in these days, maybe they are not on the front side of the picture, but backside the screen, they are creating wonders. We should be thankful to institutes like Sidana Institute. They are exploring better, newer, and wonderful techniques of meeting the students. All those who are interested to use this platform will be gainers. Why I say so? Because teaching is not only a profession. It's a passion. It's a commitment. It's an addiction. It's a way of life. It is learning throughout your life. To share with you people, when I was in school, in my school, there were hardly 2 computers. It was a government school in Chandigarh, and you will be surprised to know that we were asked to take off our shoes when we entered the computer room. But in the present scenario, after 45 years of my teaching, now I am learning the online ways of learning. The Google Drive, the Google Classroom, the Cisco Web, the webinars, the seminars. We are all learning because learning never ceases. Learning never stops. It's a lifelong process. So, my sincerest suggestion to you people is, you must have some goal, some desire that you want to achieve, you want to aspire for. And in order to achieve that desire, you must have the four-folded success mantra. I will tell you what are those 4 methods to achieve success. The first, in my opinion, is learn actively. Learning never stops, no matter what your age is, no matter what your environment is. You should continue learning. Learning never ceases. Like you can learn new words. Silent and listen both have the same alphabets, but the meaning is totally different. Similarly, we can play with numbers. Numbers are fantastic. We can play with numbers. Similarly, we can learn other ways of assessing the information, of how to consult a library, how to consult online resources in order to gather information for a certain concept. So all these are based on single formula that we must learn actively. Learning is always active learning. It should be active learning. The second success mantra is that you communicate effectively. Whatever information one has, one must be possessing a lot of information. But when we do not know how to express ourselves, how to communicate that information as a teacher, as a person, how to communicate to others, that information may not be of any use. The communication may be verbal, may be non-verbal, may be gestural, may be any type of horizontal, vertical, any type of communication. You must know the ways of communication. You must learn these communication skills. As a student, as a teacher, you must know the reading skills, the writing skills, the speaking skills. I have observed many of the senior professors, sometimes they call university instead of university. So if we correct these things in the inception period only, we can definitely modify ourselves. All these are communication skills which are a must for every student, for every teacher. Learning actively, communicating effectively, and the third one is think critically. Critically means analytical skills. All of us, believe me, God has given us a unique skill. We must explore ourselves. We must see, we must look within. What is so special which God has given us? The moment we explore that thing, we become the masters. We must think analytically. We must teach reflectively. We must do concept mapping. We must do mind mapping. We must use brainstorming, so that our students, our teachers, our individuals in the society become creative. And lastly, it is the accountability of a person. You as a student are accountable to yourself. You are studying not because of your accountability towards your teacher, not because of your accountability towards your parents. Yourself. Accountability to yourself. As a teacher also, we are accountable to ourselves. What we are giving to the society, how committed we are. Because teaching, as I've already said, teaching is not only a profession, it's a passion. It's an addiction. It's a way of life. Teaching needs commitment. We must learn this word commitment from the policeman Harjeet Singh, who recently lost his hand. But see his commitment towards his profession. See his commitment that today, not only in Punjab, the whole of the India wants to say that I am Harjeet Singh. Why so? Hats off to the commitment of that person. So my dear students, you can achieve whatever on this earth you want to achieve through this success mantra. That is, you learn actively, you communicate effectively, think analytically, and accountably. I am sure, I have got a strong conviction that if you put in your hard work along with this success mantra on this online learning course provided by Sadhana Institutes, no problem will come in your way. You will definitely succeed. You will definitely aspire what you want to aspire. You will definitely gain what you want to gain in your life. So wishing you with my sincerest wishes, stay home, stay safe, and be positive. Best of luck. Thank you.